Hi guys, so the question which we are going to do today is shifted max. You are given an array of n integers a1, a2, an. You are allowed to perform the following operation once. Select an integer x which may be negative for value I is greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to n. Okay. Set ai is equal to ai plus x. Okay. I is in base. Okay. For example, a is equal to 1342, and you perform the operation with x is equal to 3. A is now equal to 4, 6, 7, 5. We have just added the 3. Okay. Output the maximum possible value of max a after the operation performed. Here, read this. Max a is defined as the smallest non-negative integer that is not present in the array. For example, max 1205 is 3. Okay, and max 1249 is 0. Okay, so what we have to output for each test case, output the maximum value possible in max a after the operation has been performed. Okay, so how we are going to do this? First, see the test cases. Okay, like in the 6 test cases, first we enter what number of length of an array. Second, we enter the integers. Okay, integers in the array. Okay, so it would be something like for 1 is equal to 4. For the first test case, performing an operation x is equal to -4 makes a under square bracket 0 and max under square bracket 0 is equal to 1. Okay, for the second, as you can see, this for the second test case, the max is already what 4, which is the highest possible, so we can perform the operation with x is equal to 0. Will be not change the array. Okay, so the output, as you can see, 4, because we have already what max 4. Let me code the solution. I hope the screen is, yeah. So let's enter n. Cn is equal to n. Unordered set is equal to ll s for int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I is greater than long x, then sin x. Okay, s dot insert x. Okay, then int ans is equal to 0 for long y iterate till the string length. Okay, if s dot count y minus 1, then what, just this, continue. Then int cnt is equal to 0. Okay, long cur is equal to y. Okay, then it will be something like while s dot count current cnt increment. Okay, then ans max ans comma cnt cout ans. Okay, let's compile the code. C dot Codeforces, what it is, 218. Okay, 2185 capital C, 2185. So yeah, it's compiled successfully. Just a second. Let's execute the code. 2185. Let's enter the test cases. Yeah, so it's correct. As you can see, all the answers are correct. So yeah, that's it. If you have any doubt, write down in the comment section. I will definitely try to reply. Thank you for watching.